Presenting Kent Amaze and Kent Amaze Plus Cool Touch electric kettles that offer aesthetics, convenience and safety. Rust-resistant stainless steel inner body. Its Cool Touch plastic exterior is injury safe. Even if touched accidentally, it doesn't hurt. 1500 watt, 1.8 liter kettle serves 5 to 6 people and has cordless 360-degree detachable rotating base for easier serving. Their concealed heating plate ensures faster boiling and shuts off automatically. Available in premium flaming red and cool aqua green, Kent Amaze and Amaze Plus surely matches your kitchen needs and style.